YouTube. Today I'm going to do a review on a dash cam, and it will be the Garmin 45 dash cam. This is a certified refurbish, so not new. It doesn't come with original box. This one cost $118. If you buy it in Best Buy, it's $145.99. So it comes in a box like this. I'm opening it. This is what it comes out. This video will tell you, it will be unboxing it, a refurbished one, and also tell you a few features about it. And then towards the end of the video, I will have an extra video recording how it looks. So first of all, you come with a mount. The one that you buy brand new will come with a magnet one. This one has a little sticky. So you put on your windshield. You have the warranty card. You have your manual. Also, you have a quick tip book to show you how to mount it. Now, show you how to record, and also show you about the app that you download. And the app that you download will be this one. Buy back. All right. Then you will come with USB, come with a car charger. Now, this is the camera. As you can see, it's small. It almost looks like a GoPro. This is where it mounts. Your memory card will be in the bottom. It also comes with a 4 gig. Now, you have these 4 buttons inside. You have your screen in the back. It's not touch screen. You cannot touch. This button does everything. That's one default I think it is, because it should have been touch. It is 2018. As you can see, this is your on button. Your back button, up, down. This is like enter, and you also, if you hold down, you save your video. Now, if you turn it on, you see it's turning on. Tell you warning while you're driving. Okay, you hit enter, and it's already recorded. As you can see, the light is on. This is your save. Low battery. Also, you have your signal and your battery. It'll turn off automatically because the battery is low. So now, I'm going to tell you a little bit. Okay, now, this one's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool because if the red light is coming, it will tell you that it's coming 500 feet. Also, if you get too close to the car, it will give you a warning for forward collision that you can hit. Now, if you're driving and you go off a little bit to this side or this side, it will tell you that your lane departures warning, so it will tell you. And also, if you're at a light and the car moves, it will give you a warning about traffic is moving. Pretty awesome. The only downfall that I see is that it's not touch. It's a nice size camera. Check out the video in the end, and also it's pretty cool. And also, one more thing, if you get in some kind of event, it will take a picture of before and after and also I would save a portion of the video before and after it happened. And I think that's pretty cool because you have evidence. Well, check out the video that will be coming up of how it records. While it's recording, it will give you your speed limit. I will point it out. Give you a speed limit, the time, and the date. That's pretty cool in case you get in an accident. Well, I recommend it. It's pretty cool to have. And hope this video will help you choose the camera. Like I said, the link will be below where to buy it, a refurbished one. Check it out. Like and subscribe.